Hello Champion, Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I want to share with you how to make a Beyond Burger with avocado buns, lettuce, tomato, onions, and some of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the Mangolicious. So here we go. Don't slip. I got the onions. I'm gonna put the onions on after. So what I'm gonna do now is put a little bit of Georgie's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the Mangolicious, on top of the burger. Okay, we'll put that on the burger bird. We're gonna take some of these onions. I'm gonna take these onions and put them on top of that. Right? Take them onions, put that on top. Behave yourself now. Don't get silly now. Behave yourself now. Okay, put him over there. Then I'm going to take some lettuce. Actually, what I want to do is take one of these tomatoes and put on top of that. Behave yourself now. Slippery slope. Come on now, behave yourself now. It's not like your traditional bun. We're slipping. We got it slipping. Slipping in the darkness. Okay, we're gonna have to. We have a paper towel. Put a paper towel down there for some friction. Yeah, there we go. So we keep it from sliding. Don't you be fresh. Be fresh. Come on now. Behave yourself now. It's not a traditional bun, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna take some of these greens and put on top of that these mixed greens. Greens. Then I'm going to take the other part of the avocado and put that on top. Put that on top. Don't you behave yourself now. This is tricky. That's tricky right there. Tricky. So. Fumble. A couple of these pickles. Put that here like that. And we're gonna go ahead and let you guys see. It's so beautiful. I hate to even mess with it. This is a Beyond Burger with our avocado as our bun, with we use some of George's all-purpose rub. We use some of George's all-purpose rub on the burger. We use some of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the Mangolicious. We also did some sautéed onion. You'll see that, and also we grilled some turkey. Shoot, live blooper. We actually grilled some fresh corn. And we got some fresh greens on here. Got some pickles on the side. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna try to slide this bad boy closer to y'all so y'all can see that. Hopefully we can pick it up and let y'all see that. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Boom. Can you see it, y'all? So there we go. I'm gonna put it back down, and then we're gonna have to get in on that one. All right, guys, so with that said, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, share, like, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces, rubs, and amazing, mostly plant-based recipes. So you guys are awesome. God bless you guys. Until next time, I'm Chef George. Fired up. Chef George out.